Hey rally organizers and wagon masters, let me ask you something. Have you ever helped organize a rally and realized it quickly turns into a lot more work than you expected? You've got spreadsheets, Facebook posts, text messages, vendor coordination, schedules, and somehow you're expected to keep everyone informed and on the same page. It starts to feel a lot less like a rally and a lot more like a full-time job. That's exactly why we built Campfyre. Campfyre brings everything together in one place, so you can spend less time managing logistics and more time creating an experience people will remember for years to come. Let me show you how this works. Creating a rally is really simple. You just give it a name, description, location and dates, and just like that, you're up and running. Now, instead of building everything from scratch here, let me show you what a real rally looks like once it's all set up. This is a real rally we've set up, the unofficial Brinkley reunion and boot camp at Hilton Head National RV Resort. And this is where Campfyre really shines. This is what we call your rally hub. This is where everything comes together. From here, you can build your schedule, manage vendors, and keep everything in sync. Let me walk you through the screen. Your rally hub is divided into 4 tabs. We'll focus on the pre-rally setup for today. Now on this screen here, you'll be able to set up your rally and configure the way you would like your users to be able to interact with the rally. So here you can view the overview, the registration settings, and then if anyone has already attempted to register, you would be able to view any pending requests here. As we scroll down, we see the core content and planning area of the rally itself. The vendor and sponsors areas where you can configure vendor cards and profiles for the vendors that are sponsoring your rally. This is a great way for you to be able to highlight vendors and allow them to be able to gain more exposure to users at the rally itself. You can click in and view the rally vendor details. You can add sign-up forms, specific rally-specific marketing materials, and the like in their profiles. We also have the events, and in this case we have a very large set of events that we've set up for this particular rally. I think we have around 33 events here. Adding events is really simple. All you have to do is choose whether or not it's an activity or event or a potluck, and then fill out the form, and you're able to add it to the overall schedule of events, making it available for your users to see when they're scrolling through. Again, as you can see here, we've got a very long list of activities here for the users to pick from. As we continue scrolling, you'll see we've organized them into different categories like game night and activity, entertainment, and things like that, so that users can be able to more easily identify the events that might pertain to them. Now there's also a tab here called Rally Experience. This allows you as a rally organizer to be able to view the rally experience as if you were an attendee of the rally itself. Let's take a quick look at what your attendees see. They can instantly see what's happening today, browse the full schedule of events, explore vendors, and stay connected with the group. There's no confusion and no missed updates. In this case, we're logged into the Brinkley reunion at Hilton Head. You can see this starts in 49 days, so the countdown is on for sure. We can view the schedule of events by clicking on the schedule. It starts off by showing my schedule. I've already added a couple of items, but if I want to see the entire list of events, I simply click on events here. And then I can scroll through and I can see all of the events listed in time and date order to make it very easy. If I'm interested in one of these events, all I have to do is click the RSVP button, say that I'm going, how many of us there will be, and then click the confirm button. Now that's going to add it to our personal calendar. So if we come back up here and click on my schedule, you can see we've added the S'mores by Hilton Head event. We also have a potlucks tab. If the organizers have set up a potluck, you'll find the details here, including the number of sides, desserts, beverages, apps, and main dishes. Then we have the calendar for the rally. So this is going to be updated automatically based on the events and activities that you have set up for the rally. So you can see here we've got the dates of the rally showing up on the calendar here. All I have to do is click on a date, and then it's going to change and show me all of the events for that particular day. Just like from before, if there's a particular event that I am interested in, I can join it by clicking the RSVP button. Some events may have an orange sign up here button that'll take you to an outside form that needs to be filled out so that the organizers can gather the information they need for that event. We also have food trucks that are available, and this will show you what type of food, when, and where they will be available. And again, you can add that to your calendar as well. Beyond the calendar, there's a map and sites area, so you can put on the map where you're actually located, where your site is. The organizer can upload a map of the campground, so in this case you can see all of the sites, and in fact people can share their site number and put it on the map as well. In addition, there may be areas that are organized by the rally team, and you might be able to see those listed here. So in this case, here's the main pool, and it looks like there are a couple events that are at that main pool. Over here we've got the clubhouse and Blue Compass RV. So you can kind of see how users can click around in this map to see what's going on where at in relation to this rally. Next up, we have the community area. This is where users can share information back and forth. There's a feed so they can post updates, memories, photos, you name it. There's also a chat, which will work like a normal chat like you would expect. You can also view the people that are attending that particular rally and see their information. You can make buddies with your friends, you can connect with them. And then tips, if you want to add any tips for others at the rally. Maybe someone's never been to this particular campground and you want to give them some tips, you can leave those for others to find. And then we have the vendors section. So the vendors section is where our attendees will go to learn all about the vendors that are supporting and present at the rally. In this case, they can view the vendor cards like we see here. Some of them might have menus or other materials that we can click on to view those details. If we click into one of these, you can see some information about that particular vendor, the products that they offer. If there have been any reviews, you'd be able to see those here as well, or you can write a review of your own so that other attendees at the rally will be able to know what everyone else thought of the places. Also, the locations are listed on these vendor cards so you can see exactly where they are located within the rally itself. Some vendors may have a sign-up form that you'll see here in orange. You just simply click on the link and it'll open up in a new tab. You can fill that out and that will send the information to that vendor, in this case letting them know that you want to sign up for their soft start installation. In addition, we have a couple of options here for notifications, and then we have a feedback area so you can leave feedback at the end of the rally to let the organizers know what you thought of the rally and how your experience went. So that is everything from the attendees' perspective that we wanted to show you. Campfyre isn't here to make rally planning more complicated. It's here to simplify it. Start simple, build as you go, and let Campfyre handle the heavy lifting behind the scenes, so you can focus on what really matters, bringing people together. Whether you're planning your first rally or your 10th, Campfyre adapts to you. Thank you, and we'll see you at the next rally.